Okay, we are here at the Fernwood Office Center, and it has been a while since I have been to this elevator. The last time I filmed this was in 2018. So we are going to check up on the Dover elevator. Let's go down to 1. Let's go back up to 2. Just a very basic Dover elevator. It takes a while to level going down though. And based on the fact that the indicator is here, is this a holeless? Yep, I think that's the jack right there. You can actually see the car top station up there. It's kind of interesting too. This is just a little lobby down here, and there's even this back exit. So what we'll do to end is we'll send the elevator up and listen to the motor from down here. All right, well, that's it.